21 divided 3 parenthesis 6 plus 1. How do you solve this? Now when there are number of operations, we need to follow certain order, and we can remember this order through this mnemonic called PEMDAS. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So this is the order we follow. First we solve parenthesis, then comes exponent. However, for this multiplication division, they are grouped together because they have equal priority. They are reciprocal actions. Example, if you multiply 4 times 2, this is also equals to 4 divided by 1 upon 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2, and division gets converted into multiplication, or you can convert multiplication into division. Therefore, they are reciprocal action. We cannot give priority to one action over another. So in order to solve which operation to do first when they are right next to each other, we must follow the rule of left to right, whichever comes first from left to right. Now keeping this in mind, let's solve it. First we will be solving parenthesis. So 21 divided by 3, 6 plus 1 is 7. Once we remove the parenthesis, here we have no sign, that means here we have multiplication. So we write sign multiplication and write 7 here. Now many do the mistake that they consider this multiplication written in PEMDAS as first priority, and then they do 21 divided by 21. Answer is 1, but 1 is not the correct answer. So this is one mistake. Another mistake is when they do the operation of this 6 plus 1, they write 7 like this. And when they write 7 like this, they again confuse this bracket as parenthesis, and parenthesis has priority over division. Therefore, they do this multiplication first. 7 times 3 is 21. But remember that writing like this doesn't mean that this is an operation. It's just a way of writing. Unless there is any other number or symbol inside this, it is not an operation itself. It's just a way of writing multiplication. So instead of that, you just write it like this. Now this says whenever multiplication and division are right next to each other, we need to solve them from left to right. From left to right, we have division first. So we will not be doing this multiplication first. This division will be done first. 21 divided by 3 is 7. And then 7 times 7 is 49. You can see how the answer is entirely different. So answer is 49 and not 1. Many also follow the rule of PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, which is the same rule. Or you can follow GEMS, G for all groupings of brackets, E for exponent, order, indices, roots, M for both multiplication, division, and S for both subtraction and addition. These are also grouped together. Although it doesn't make any difference whether you do addition or subtraction first, answer will be same. Now when you follow PEMDAS first, you will be getting 49 as the answer, because in PEMDAS division is written first and then we have multiplication. But it's not that this rule is correct and this is wrong. It's that by coincidence in PEMDAS D is written first and then we have multiplication, and in the question you are getting division first and then multiplication. So you can follow either PEMDAS or PEMDAS. Just remember the rule of left to right and your answer will be correct. Thanks for watching.